Welcome to Tech Reviews, where we explore the world of engineering and machinery. In today's video, we'll take a detailed look at how steam turbines work, focusing on the diaphragm, nozzle, rotor stages, exhaust system, and labyrinth seals. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the flow of steam inside a turbine and the purpose of each key component. 1. The diaphragm in a turbine. Inside a steam turbine, one of the important stationary parts is the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a circular partition placed between two stages of the turbine. It holds the nozzles and guides the steam flow towards the moving blades. The diaphragm itself does not move, it remains fixed. But what it does is crucial. It directs the high-pressure steam in the right angle and velocity towards the rotor blades, so that maximum energy can be extracted. In simple words, the diaphragm is like a director that channels the steam exactly where it is needed. 2. The function of nozzles. Now, connected with the diaphragm are the nozzles. The nozzle's job is to convert pressure energy of steam into high-velocity kinetic energy. When steam passes through a nozzle, its pressure drops, but its speed increases dramatically. This high-speed jet of steam then strikes the rotor blades. Think of it like a water hose. When the opening is small, water comes out at very high speed. Similarly, the turbine nozzle accelerates steam and directs it towards the blades for rotation. 3. Rotor stages. Once the steam leaves the nozzles, it enters the rotor blades. The rotor is the moving part of the turbine, and it consists of multiple stages. Let's understand these stages one by one. First stage rotor. The blades of the first stage are the largest because the steam pressure is high and needs a wide surface to absorb the energy. Second stage rotor. Here, the blades are smaller than the first stage. By this point, the steam has already expanded and lost some energy, so the blade size reduces. Third stage rotor. In this stage, the blades become larger again, to capture the low-pressure, high-volume steam. Fourth stage rotor. The blades remain large, similar to the third stage, because at this point the steam occupies more space due to expansion. This arrangement of blade sizes ensures efficient extraction of energy from steam at every stage. 4. Exhaust system. After passing through all the rotor stages, the steam finally reaches the exhaust system. The purpose of the exhaust is to safely release the low-pressure steam from the turbine into a condenser or directly to the atmosphere, depending on the design. In power plants, the exhaust steam usually goes to a condenser, where it is cooled down and converted back into water for reuse. So, the exhaust system completes the flow path of steam through the turbine. Labyrinth seals. Now let's talk about an important safety and efficiency feature, labyrinth seals. A labyrinth seal is a special type of seal used inside turbines to minimize steam leakage between high-pressure and low-pressure sections. These seals consist of a series of ridges, almost like a maze, which make it very difficult for steam to pass through. They are called labyrinth seals because steam has to pass through a complex path of chambers and restrictions, losing energy and preventing major leakage. You can find labyrinth seals both on the high-pressure side and the low-pressure side of the turbine. The advantage of labyrinth seals is that they reduce steam loss without physical contact between rotating and stationary parts, which means less wear and longer life of the turbine. Conclusion. So, to quickly recap. The diaphragm channels steam towards the blades. The nozzles convert pressure into velocity. The rotor stages extract energy step by step with blades of different sizes. The exhaust system safely releases steam after work is done. And the labyrinth seals control leakage and improve efficiency. This is how a steam turbine manages the high-energy flow of steam, stage by stage, to produce useful mechanical power. If you enjoyed learning about turbine components, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Reviews for more detailed technical explanations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.